Weldtec Designs. And I know you guys have been wanting to see this. Look how pretty red this awesome van is. And it's way too hot to be outside, so we're gonna have you guys come in the shop today and check out this killer new red Chevy Express 135-inch wheelbase Quigley 4x4 that we got crazy with and decked all out. Let's go check it out. So what we wanted to start off with was, why are we starting off with the wheels? What's your favorite part of this van build?
Well, I like the method wheels because they make it look so cool. These are the 309 method grid wheels.
They are. These are the 309 grid wheels, and these are in black. We're also running the BFG KO2 tires. Which is an all-terrain tire, and the size tire that we're running is a 285/70/17. So we've gone to a bigger wheel and a bigger tire on this than what originally came from Quigley. And we'll talk about a little bit in the front, some trimming that we're gonna have to do up in the front in order to get these tires to clear all the way. I know a lot of people ask is if I have a Quigley van and it has a 3-inch lift on it, you know, how big of a tire can I run and how much trimming will I have to do? So we're gonna kind of go over that with you, and then we'll even try to make another little follow-up video where we can even show you how to do the trimming. And I'll go ahead and we'll throw up a card where, right? Go be like, I'll throw up a card right there, boom! And we can show you guys how to trim your front fenders in order to get you a little bit more wheel clearance. In the rear of this, right now, this particular customer has not finished his build out, so once he gets that all done, we will end up doing a custom set of leaf springs in the back of this, but for right now, we've just done the blocks, U-bolts, and Fox shocks in the rear of this, along with now we've added Fox shocks to the front of this Quigley in order to really make it ride nice. So, a ton of other stuff that we did do it, and while we're down here, we might as well check out these awesome set of rock sliders. So once again, this is a 135-inch wheelbase van. The rock sliders killed it. These things look awesome. 3 points that are gonna go into your frame and give you a ton of support. We've also kicked these things down at about 35 degrees, so it's gonna give you also a really nice place to get in as a step, which this guy definitely loves. You love having a step to get in, otherwise you couldn't even get into our van, huh, without the step?
I can't even like open the door in the Chevy van.
It's really hard to without the step, huh? Well, besides these awesome wheels and a killer set of rock sliders, what's the next favorite thing about this van? What, do you need a nap? Are you tired? Are you tired? Do you need a nap, huh? All right, what's your next favorite thing about this?
I like the bumper.
The front bumper or the back bumper?
Front bumper and the back bumper.
All right, but which one do you want to show them first?
Front bumper.
Front bumper, all right. So we're gonna head out to the front of this thing and go check out the front bumper in here. All right, guys, so back to this front bumper, check this thing out. So you guys have seen this bumper. I'm running a very similar bumper onto the front of mine, and this is our stealth winch bumper. However, there's no winch in this yet. Another variation of this bumper, which you're gonna notice, is there's no sheet metal on this as well. So giving you guys different options, and I kind of dig it without the sheet metal. I could go either way. And if you don't like the sheet metal, this is another option, and we'll even change this and put a variation of this on the website. And I will put that link down below so that way you can go on here directly over to our website and you can purchase this awesome bumper if this is what you're looking to add to your Chevy Express van. Now one thing, and also GMC Savannah, I don't want to leave out you GMC guys. So another thing about this is you can see how the proximity, the distance, I don't know, how far this sticks out from the front grille. This bumper sticks out the same distance from the front grille as a normal stock bumper, although it's giving you the ability to run a winch in there if you so decide to do that. And if you don't want to run a winch, maybe even we'll do a different variation on this later on where you could run the skid plate and just do a light bar in there, but it's still giving you a nice clean tight bumper. You're also going to see that the skid plate down here is going to give you a nice approach angle, and then when we really get down in there, you can take a look and see all the new subframe that we have put down below all of this in order to give you that new lift for your Quigley van. So a lot of little things that are really cool. I like it, I dig it. It's keeping this super simple, and you can see that it's all in black. So as we kind of walk around this van, you'll notice that it's black on black on black, and then with the red. So you've seen the other Chevy 135-inch wheelbase van that we just did, and if you didn't, boom, I'll throw up another card right there. I lost my little helper. He's like my Vanna White, you know, hey, where's the other card go?
Right there.
Yep, there it is. So,
Weldtec goes right there, going across.
all right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna head to the back of this, but what I was saying was there was another van, and if that car didn't show up, it will now, of another 135-inch wheelbase van that we did. That was also a Quigley conversion, but it was the 2.8 liter Duramax, which we know that you guys are starting to fall in love with, and we love your guys' comments, feedback. If you have that 2.8 liter, how's it treating you? How do you like it? What kind of gas mileage are you getting from it? And are you towing with it? That's what we would really like to know, is if you have a 2.8 liter and you're towing with it, how does it do towing? I want to know that. That's huge. So as we head to the back of this van, we're going to show you Caden's other one of his favorite things. Is going to be this killer new rear bumper, and on this rear bumper we're going to have the dual swing out. So you love it. So we're running an aluminous box on here, and let's see if we can open this all up. Ah, there it goes. So galley box, I know a lot of you guys like that. Some of you guys will second this as a table.
It could be like 13
I'm not so sure I dig this. I don't feel that it's maybe strong enough to where I could set stuff on it. I think I'd rather have my door swing out of the way. That's my own opinion. I really like my door swinging out of the way, and then I feel like once this is open, I may really get annoyed with this. But I would love to hear what you guys think and if it works, because I've never ran this particular style box. So please leave a comment below if you have an aluminous box or a box that folds down like that. I'd love to hear what you guys think. And back here, so we're gonna have our dual swing out. So we're gonna have our heavy duty latch right here, and that's gonna just click open, and then that's gonna swing out of the way. And I wanna make sure it'll go. And there you go, it's gonna lock out of the way, which still allows you to be able to get in and out. So now we have our second latch right here, which has got the nice thumb for the release. And then that's gonna open up. So, and then you can also latch this thing. And granted, when you order one of these bumpers from us, you could tell us like, okay, I only want it to open so far. And really the reason why we're having it open that far is so that you can see on the Chevys, so you can really get that door, you know, to open up a ton. So you can see that full clearance, full range of motion, how far this door opens. And if you have a Chevy, there's that little sweet spot where it sticks open. And as we take a look in there, you can start to see this awesome build out where they've rhino lined all the exterior. We didn't do any of this. And this is another cool feature that I really dig on this. Is they actually did the whole door panels in there. So something really cool. I like the way that that also looks. And you can also see as we peek in here that all of the interior is also rhino lined. And then you can see mountain bike and the rest of the construction of the interior build out has begun on this. So we will be sure to add another video on this when we come back for round 2. of this build where we're gonna be doing like a roof rack, a ladder, the rear springs, and some other fun goodies. We'll add a winch to it, maybe some lights, things of that nature. But really cool. I'm digging like the hardwood floor. We have the hardwood floor in our Chevy Express van as well. So really cool. What do you got to say, little man?
Except it's gray on the floor.
Yes, our floor is gray.
Kind of different.
Yeah, that is a little different. Good observation.
This is kind of like hardwood.
Yeah, good observation there, buddy. So this is another really cool build here. And this is what we love. We love working with all of you guys that have Quigleys. Maybe you're on the West Coast, you have a Quigley van that you need work done to it. And anything that you may do, we are very familiar with the Quigleys and how they work and what's going on with them. And whether you need to lift it, I will make sure to put a link below also to the 3-inch lift kit that we have done on this particular van. So if you have a Chevy Quigley van and it's not lifted, you want to lift, you know where to come. Weldtec Designs, we can do it up and do it up with some set of Fox shocks to really make this thing ride nice. So that's on the suspension, on the bumpers. I mean, that's it. What else do we got to show them on this thing?
Nothing really in the inside that we built.
Nothing really on the inside, huh?
It was all just the customer that built, so we're gonna end the video right now.
We're gonna end the video. He says, the director says we're ending the video. So I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. I know that you guys have smashed that subscribe button. So here's our big goal, is to get that subscriber count way up. So if you're watching this, please smash that subscribe button. And if you haven't followed Growing Up Garage right there, where's Growing Up Garage?
Subscribe to Growing Up Garage.
Subscribe to Growing Up Garage. Yep, that's what it's all about. Subscribe to Growing Up Garage, where it's all about the kids, and then Weldtec, where it's all about the vans lately, you know?
Well, it's all about the grown-ups.
It's all about the grown-ups? Yep. All right, guys, so hey, thanks for watching as always, and I will see you guys next time.